guys, Plasma Keeper here with a video, and today I will be reviewing my 4 speed cubes. I actually had these cubes for a long time, but I just want to review it for you guys. Just in case, if you guys want to buy these cubes, I'm going to review them. But before I get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos. But make sure you and smash that subscribe button. And if you want to comment. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around. Okay, so these are the 4 cubes I got. This is the Guanwang Speed Cube. This is the Rubik's Brand. It's the Geiger Bluetooth Speed Cube. And this is a GAN 356X Speed Cube. Okay, let's get into it. So as you can see by the turning, it turns really good. But if you look at the corner cutting, it corner cuts horrible. Like, ow. See what I mean? I just hurt my little finger from trying to corner cut on this. But yeah, it turns good, but the corner cutting does not turn good at all. So this cube can go bye-bye. I don't want you anymore. Okay, this is a Guanwang Speed Cube. Doesn't turn as good as the other one, but if you can see by the corner cutting, it turns so soft. See, I can go like still corner cut. Well, actually, it went down, but yeah, you get the point. It corner cuts really good, but not my main, so that can go bye-bye. Now, what I have is the Geiger Bluetooth Speed Cube. This one I like, but it doesn't corner cut the way I want it to. It turns good, but it doesn't corner cut it doesn't corner cut how I like it. So, if you ever want to buy this, be aware, it turns good, corner cuts good, and not good. So, be aware of that. On to the next cube. Okay. This right here is the GAN 356X, like I told you before. This cube turns really good, and it also corner cuts really good. See, as you can see by right there, I'm going to put it right in the middle, and then boom. Okay, and now, like this, as you can see, it does it really good. Yeah, I always use this cube a lot. Oops, this one right here is my main. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos I post. And I'll see you in the next video.